places niggas can't go.
Just keep cheesing, hard drive full of heat. Comes around just like the plates on the chainsaw. My dollar.
Yeah, she just went off and chased the car because she was on the beach.
Okay, bro, where are you?
Did you see us?
Stop there, where's the person who crossed?
Excuse me?
The person who's crossing, this forward stop there, you went straight ahead, we were in at the right to go, the pedestrian was crossing, you just went when it was our turn.
Where? Where are you talking about?
Right there!
Calm down, buddy. It's okay. Listen, if somebody's in your spot, don't back up into them, okay?
That's not the thing. You're just being an asshole to you because you're stupid and you don't know how to drive.
Okay.
So you wanted to hit him to teach him a
I
lesson?
didn't hit you at all.
Well, that's what you were doing.
No, we weren't hitting you, we were just blocking the spot.
How about we both agree to look forward?
Yeah, you too.
Alright.
Yeah. Next time look for your turn and then you can go, okay?
Well, we can both agree on that, right?
Wait, you know what the right of way is? Billy did not know what that is. He did not apply to that. You didn't do that, you're stupid.
Alright, buddy.
Do you have this?
Yeah, I did.
That's crazy.
Harder, so it takes longer to learn them. But when you're call, yeah.
I guess there is sidewalks.
I was on Chelsea Neighborhood Watch, or not, yeah, I was on Facebook.
waking up in the back. There's no one waking up in the back.
Wake up, please.
Wake up. Get up, get up. Yeah, give me fire. Wake up. Hey, Mike. Wake up.